Welcome to this video. This is just a short video to talk about an issue we've had with our ML320. It's a year 2000, and this probably applies to years 2000 to 2005 on several of the ML series. This is the defrost vent for the front windscreen that goes into the front dash. And ours is just cracked and fallen all to pieces over the years. Our color is Java, which is a sand or beige colored type of material. And Mercedes no longer offers that as a part. However, I did some research and found out there was a few gray and a few black ones left in stock. So it's Mercedes part number 163 831 03 52. And in this case, it's paint code 7167. And that's for anthracite, which is black. So our plan was to take the old one off the vehicle, put the new one in, and paint it Java. And we ordered Java paint to match the interior, but it's on a 2-month back order. So what we're going to do is go out to the vehicle, take this out of its container, take the old one out, vacuum out inside where the old one was, and put the new one in, and we'll take a look at it. And we'll leave it black until we get the new paint in. Then we'll pull it back out and paint it. So we've pulled the old pieces, and as you can see, this stuff, it's just brittle. It's just totally ruined. And this is the new piece that we're going to put in. So what I'm going to do real quick is vacuum down inside where this goes. We'll pop the new one in. We'll come back and show you what it looks like in black. And then, like I said, in a couple of months when we get the paint in, we'll pull this back out and we'll paint it with the correct paint color, which for ours is Java, or this. Here's what the defrost vent looks like in black on Java. Actually, I think it looks pretty good. Depends on your opinion. So we'll take another shot from outside, from the outside of the windscreen, and you can get an idea of what it looks like. It was hard to put in. You have to put a little silicone grease on the tabs to get it to pop into place, because all the plastics on this car are so hard and so brittle after so many years. So I'll show you the outside. So here's a view of the defrost vent from the outside. And that's really all there is to this video, and I do appreciate your watching. Hope to see you on another video soon. Thank you.